Here's a paradox about Sherlock Holmes. He is indelibly linked in the public mind and consciousness with the streets of London. Yet it was here, in the streets of Edinburgh, that his character was forged. It was here, in the city of the infamous murderers Burke and Hare, of Major Weir, of Deacon Brodie, characters who inspired Robert Louis Stevenson's great creations, Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. These were the streets in which Sherlock Holmes was forged. The thing about Conan Doyle is that no one person was the inspiration for Sherlock Holmes. As with so many characters, Sherlock Holmes is an amalgam of different people. People that Conan Doyle was at school at, people who are his heroes, people who are his tutors at medical school. And what he basically did was do what so many writers do. He assembled different portions of different people's characters, blended them together and used them to create Sherlock Holmes. So, although we say that Dr. Joseph Bell was the main inspiration for Sherlock Holmes, to an extent that is true, but at the same time, Sherlock Holmes is an amalgam of lots and lots of different people. And there were people, real people, who Conan Doyle knew, people who he was at school at, people who he studied medicine with, and people who he worshipped, people who were his heroes. And these are the people that came together and created Holmes. And that's why we're in Edinburgh, because although Holmes is indelibly linked with the streets of London, it's in fact in the streets of Edinburgh that Sherlock Holmes was forged. So it's here in Edinburgh we're going to explore, track down the characters and the influences that came together and made what is without doubt the world's most enduring literary figure, Sherlock Holmes.